Welcome to another edition of Jesse Tries. Today I'm gonna try Rain Your Mountain Spring Water. Sorry, we're just getting the remote. 100% aluminum recyclable. It gets cold faster than plastic. Infinitely recyclable. Substantially sourced. PBA free liner. PBA free liner. Look, I'm just stalling for time because it has no cholesterol, no calories, no sodium, no cholesterol, no nothing. I do like how this symbolizes recycling, like all the rain. Yeah, I like how the rain symbol is also the recycle symbol. Because look how it's raining. Despite having no ingredients, this expires in 2027. Let's see. It's clear. It has no scent. And as for taste, say it with me now. Clean, clear, and refreshing. Tastes just as good as the leading brands of bottled water. I give this an A+. An A+. And I guess, well, let's see. Let me check the. I'm gonna check. Let's see. The tongue. I just realized, honey, the next edition of Jesse Tries is the 1000th episode, I promise you. Yes, next time on Jesse Tries, it's the 1000th episode of Jesse Tries. Yay!